The human brain is a highly complex and vital organ, central to the functioning of the human body and mind. It is the control center for all bodily functions, thought processes, emotions, and behaviors. Here's an overview of its main components and functions. 1. Structure, cerebrum. The largest part of the brain, divided into two hemispheres, left and right. It is responsible for higher brain functions, such as thought, memory, sensation, and voluntary movement. Frontal lobe associated with reasoning, planning, problem solving, emotions, and movement. Parietal lobe processes sensory information like touch, temperature, and pain. Temporal lobe, involved in processing auditory information and is essential for memory and speech. Occipital lobe, responsible for visual processing. Cerebellum, located under the cerebrum, it coordinates muscle movements, maintains posture, and helps with balance. Brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and controls basic life functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. It includes midbrain, controls vision, hearing, motor control, and arousal. Pons relays messages between the cerebrum and cerebellum and is involved in sleep and respiratory functions. Medulla oblongata regulates vital functions like heart rate, breathing, and digestion. Limbic system, a set of structures involved in emotion, behavior, and long-term memory. Hippocampus, essential for memory formation. Amygdala, involved in emotions, especially fear and pleasure. Hypothalamus, regulates autonomic functions like hunger, thirst, and temperature control, and links the nervous system to the endocrine system. Thalamus acts as a relay station for sensory information going to the cerebrum and motor signals from the cerebrum to the body. Corpus callosum, a bundle of nerve fibers that connects the two hemispheres of the brain, allowing communication between them. 2. Functions. Cognitive functions. The brain is responsible for thinking, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Sensory processing. It processes sensory information, sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell, and integrates it to form perceptions. Motor control. The brain controls voluntary movements by sending signals to muscles. Emotion and behavior. The limbic system plays a key role in emotions, motivation, and forming social bonds. Memory. The brain stores and retrieves memories, both short-term and long-term. Language. Specific areas like Broca's area and Wernicke's area are responsible for language production and comprehension. 3. Neuroplasticity. The brain has the ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. This neuroplasticity is crucial for learning, memory, and recovery from brain injuries. 4. Protection. The brain is protected by the skull, meninges, 3 layers of membranes, and cerebrospinal fluid, which cushions the brain. 5. Blood supply. The brain is supplied with oxygen and nutrients by a network of blood vessels, with the carotid and vertebral arteries being the main contributors. Adequate blood flow is crucial for brain function. The human brain, with its remarkable complexity, is responsible for the vast array of human experiences, from the simplest reflexes to the most abstract thoughts.